Hey everyone, it's Daniela, TallGirlDani, and I finally got my pre-order of Naptural85's hair care line called Melanin. So this is going to be a little unboxing portion of the video. So inside she has these beautifully made cards with information about the line, how her and her sister started it. This card talks about how to get featured.
Oh my gosh.
And she sent lollipops.
How cute is that?
So I was super excited about that, as you can see. So the rest of the stuff, I have the Twist Elongating Style Cream. I got the oil, the multi-use pure oil blend, and I got the visor, the Melanin visor, which I couldn't wait to try on.
Super cute.
So it's a soft mesh material, and it just felt really, really good. It's like a perfect fit. So I've never had a visor like this before, and I haven't really had the experience of wearing a cap, sort of anything with my natural hair. So I'm super excited to rock this. So the first thing I do when I open any product is I give it a sniff test. So what I noticed about this cream is that it smells a lot like shea butter. So the oil was sealed, which was great. And once I opened the oil had a really nice smell. It's hard to say exactly what it smelled like, but it was a very fresh and clean and soothing scent. So I'm just sectioning off one part of my hair and starting in the back, detangling just a little bit, my dusty looking ends. So I'm applying some of the cream product to my hair. So in her video, she hasn't done a video with it on blow dried hair yet, but in her video she talked about how it's buildable, so you can use as little or as much as you like. So I started out with a moderate amount. I didn't do too much because I was adding the oil, and my hair actually did have, it wasn't completely clean. So this is old blown out hair, which had like my shea butter mix. I hadn't applied any recently, but my hair wasn't totally naked hair. So once I applied the cream and the oil, I just proceed to 2-strand twist that section all the way down to the ends. And then I section off another piece. As you can see, I was using relatively big sections, which is something that I like to do when my hair is blown out, because it's something that I don't always get to do when my hair is not stretched. So again, I applied the cream first, and then I applied some of the oil. What I want to say about the oil is that the oil is not greasy at all. So it's not heavy, it's a very light oil, and my hair seemed to absorb it right up. And it seems to work very well with the cream product. So again, I'm just sectioning and twisting, doing the same combination of applying the cream first, then the oil, detangling a little bit, and then 2-strand twisting it all the way to the ends. So the front of my hair, I tend to make smaller sections because for some reason the front of my hair doesn't hold definition as well as other parts. So I'm just going to repeat those same steps on the other half of my hair. But one thing that I did notice is that my twist didn't shrink. So when I apply cream to blow dried hair, normally my hair starts to revert, and this product did not make my hair revert. So it maintained its stretched out, blown out look. It didn't shrink. I didn't experience any reversions. So I would have to say that the Twist Elongating claim seems to be true. And all I kept thinking about was this would be such a great product to do my mini twists with. So yeah, my hair was definitely really stretched out. I feel like probably the most stretched out I've experienced from a cream. So yeah, my twist also looked really neat. So the next day, I actually didn't unravel my twist. I kept them in, and I actually wore my hair like this to work with the 2 little bands at the end. So normally I wear my hair in 2-strand twists, and I end up banding my hair down the length of the twist to keep them stretched. But I didn't feel the need to do that because they kind of stayed stretched on their own. So I took a little bit of the oil and just poured it on my hands and ran it over my twists to minimize frizz when I'm unraveling. So for this side, I decided to just unravel the twists first to see what kind of definition I was working with. I like to do that first when I'm trying new products because sometimes I won't separate it out depending on what it looks like, or if I'm trying to have the definition last a little bit more, I'll just unravel and wear it that way one day and then separate them out another day. But because my hair was already stretched out, I realized that wearing it just simply unraveled is not, I wasn't feeling that look. So I wanted it to be bigger. So I definitely was going to unravel the rest of my twist. So one thing that I did notice is that my hair felt really soft. So my hair just felt so good, so moisturized, so soft. It wasn't weighed down, and it just felt really good. So now that I'm unraveling this other side, I already know that I'm going to separate the twist out. So as I unravel each twist, I will then separate it to make the process go a little bit easier. So I'm finding, again, evidence that I need a trim, because when I unravel the twist, if it gets like knotted at the bottom or it gets stuck together, that's evidence for me that I need a trim. So I need to stop hurting myself and go get my hair trimmed. But again, my hair felt really, really soft. So even with the oil on my hands and in my hair, unraveling my hair, it didn't feel greasy, it didn't feel heavy, it just felt super soft. So it almost felt like I didn't have product in it. I mean, it felt moisturized. It's not crunchy at all. It's like a really soft definition, which is something that I really like. I don't really like crunchy hair, and I like natural soft definition. So I did this in real time just to show you how light my hair was, how much movement I had. And yeah, my hair wasn't weighed down. It looked shiny. It looks really good. So again, because it felt so good, I had a hard time like keeping my hands out of my hair. Like I just kept wanting to touch it and being fascinated with how just soft and moisturized my hair felt. So as I'm playing with my hair, I'm considering, just wearing it like this, or deciding how I might style it, checking out my ends that need trimming. And I decided that, maybe I could pull it back in a ponytail. Maybe I could wear it up. But I decided to grab my wide tooth comb and pick it out just to give it some volume. So I was a little nervous picking it out because my hair was already stretched, and because the definition was really soft, I didn't want to lose a lot of the definition by picking it out. So I was trying to be careful to pick out really just at the roots and wherever I felt like my hair needed some boosts. But overall, I really like this product. I'm going to do another video where I try it on wet hair. But my first impressions is that this product is bomb. I love the visor. I love the packaging. I love everything. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.